Ginagawa mo ba ngayon ang 52-week money challenge or nagawa mo na ito before? Sigurado ako na nakatulong ito sa'yo upang maging disiplinado ka sa iyong pag-iimpok. Ngayon, i-level up natin yan. Like this!
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Kamusta mga kaibigan at welcome po sa ating channel na kung saan palaguin natin ang pisong pinaghirapan. So paano natin i-level up ang 52-week money challenge? Oops, teka muna. Ano nga ba ang 52-week money challenge? 'Di ba? So paano natin ito gawing level up? Paano natin gagawin muna ang 52-week challenge? Yan ang ating pag-uusapan sa video na ito. Susunod na. Siguro iniisip mo na ay late na para makapag-umpisa ng 52-week challenge kasi almost 2 weeks nang lumipas ang bagong taong 2019. Pero okay lang, 'di ba? Pwede mo pa ring simulan. So ganito lang 'yon. Ilan ito sa mga 52 weeks money challenge na pinost sa FB. Kaya naman naging maigi itong pangsimula sa mga taong gustong mag-ipon talaga. So paano ba ang 52 weeks money challenge? Ganito po yon. Halimbawa, ikaw gusto mong mag-ipon ng 10 pesos. So every week, mag-iipon ka ng 10 pesos and then the following week, mag-a-add ka ng another 10. So for example, January 1 to 7, that's your first week, you need to save 10 pesos. And then January 8 to 14, that's your week number 2, you need to save 20 pesos. And then January 15 to 21, your week number 3, you need to save 30 pesos. January 22 to 31st, you need to save 40 pesos. So, kailangan lang magdadagdag ka ng 10 pesos every week doon sa iniipon mo. That's the 52 weeks money challenge. Kailangan ding maiset kung saan mo ito gagamitin. Yung pera na maiipon mo sa 52 weeks challenge na ito. Kung ito ba ay idadagdag mo sa iyong investment, ito ba ay gagamitin mo panggastos sa reunion pagdating ng December, ito ba ay gagawin mong pambayad sa utang mo para debt-free ka na at the end of next year, di ba? So, you have to make sure first na iset mo kung saan papunta or saan mo gagamitin yung pera na maiipon mo on this challenge. Ngayon, para ito ay mag-level up, at the end of the month, instead na nakatago lang ito sa alkansya mo, you can top up this fund sa iyong money market investment na maaari mo namang i-withdraw at the end of the year kasi halimbawa, ang purpose ng 52-week money challenge mo ay para sa family reunion mo sa Pasko, so meron kang magagamit for that specific na plan. Ngayon, kung naiset mo na kung saan mo ito gagamitin, so maaari mong ilagay ang pera, halimbawa, naipon mo sa isang buwan, di ba? May 100 pesos ka na. For example lang, maaari mo itong i-top up sa iyong money market fund dahil ang isang money market fund ay isang type of financial instrument na sobrang low risk. Kung ikaw ay conservative type na investor, pwedeng-pwede ito sa'yo. And this type of money market fund ay 100 pesos lang ang initial para makapag-open ka nito. Okay? Kung ang pera na maiipon mo sa iyong 52 weeks managed challenge ay gagamitin mo at the end of the year, maaari mo itong itago or ilagay sa isang money market fund. Ano ba ang money market fund? Ang money market fund is a type of a mutual fund that invests solely in cash and cash equivalent securities, which are also called money market instruments. So ito po ang example ng portfolio ng isang money market fund. So these vehicles are very liquid, short-term investments with high credit quality. What's so special about this money market fund? 3 reasons. Number 1, safety. The securities in which these funds invest are stable and generally safe investments. Money market securities provide a fixed return with short maturities. By purchasing debt securities issued by banks, large corporations, and the government, money market funds carry a low default risk while still offering a reasonable return. Number 2, low initial investment. Dahil nga 100 pesos, you can now start to open a money market fund. So maaari yung pera at the end of the month sa iyong 52-week money challenge, ilalagay mo, itatap up mo sa iyong money market fund. So, money market securities generally have large minimum purchase requirements that make it difficult for the vast majority of individual investors to buy. On the other hand, money market funds have substantially lower requirements that are even lower than average mutual fund minimum requirements. So, as a result, money market funds allow investors to take advantage of the safety related to a money market investment at lower thresholds. At ang number 3, accessibility. Money market fund shares can be bought and sold at any time and are not subject to market timing restrictions. Most of these funds provide check writing privileges and offer investors same-day settlement, which is similar to trading market fund securities. So whether you decide to use money market funds as an investment vehicle or as a temporary place para paglagyan mo ng pera na naiipon mo dito sa 52 Weeks Money Challenge, di ba? So make sure lang na you know as much as possible about the fund and its characteristics. Sa pag-level up mo ng iyong 52-week money challenge, mas mag-earn pa ang pera mo. So, kung halimbawa ito ay ipandagdag mo sa inyong investment, 'di ba? Mas mapalago mo pa ito. So it's up to you kung ito ay ilalagay mo talaga sa isang money market fund or pandagdag mo sa iyong equity fund. So ikaw ang nakakaalam, ikaw ang magde-decide niyan dahil ikaw naman ang nakakaalam kung para saan ba talaga yung pera na iniipon mo for that 52-week challenge na ginagawa mo. So let me know by writing your comment down below if you're in with this Level Up Money Challenge. If you find this video informative, kindly share this video to your families and friends para sila din ay magawa ang Level Up na 52-week money challenge. At kung nais mong umattend ng aking free live webinar dahil merong akong schedule every Tuesday and Friday, 8:30 p.m. Philippine time po yan, just message me sa aking Facebook Messenger para mabigyan kita ng Zoom meeting ID. So sa webinar na iyan, ako ay nagtuturo kung paano yung proper way of investing. And also, you can grab a free copy of this book at my website at ang daming W nun. Basta sa aking website, www.gisal.net. Ako po muli, si G. Isaal, na palaging magpapaalala sa inyo to live, love, invest. God bless everyone and always remember, God loves you. Level up na!
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.